Hey guys, this is my new battery box. I have two 12 volt 5 amp hour batteries in it, wired together, and then over here I have it going into a on-off switch and then going to USB port, voltage meter, and a cigarette 12 volt outlet. It's in a low profile waterproof plastic ammo can. There's the on-off switches right there, which lights up. And then you have your 12 volt socket, your voltage meter, and two USB ports. That'll power my fish finder, my rear lights, and my navigation lights. Screwed up a little right there, but I'll fix that. And it's a nice light, little compact battery box for my kayak. Let's switch it on here. Batteries are at 12.9 volts. I'm going to plug in my rear kayak navigation light. Look how bright that is. So this is going to work really nice for the kayak. And I found all the ideas on YouTube. Very simple build. I had pretty much everything already, except for the panel, which cost me about $15. Came out great. Came out better than I expected.